Hey, welcome back, everybody. Sign here again with another episode of Harmonious Engineering, and I gotta do something about that. It's just a box. Uh, yeah. But I went ahead and got my excavator moved just now, and I want to export bauxite. There we go. I got a little bit of iron coming from the excavator as well, but it's mainly bauxite. And thinking I might redo my crushers because of the with what happened with the nickel. Yeah, it's unfortunate, but let's come over here and you can see our diesel generators running over there. It was actually having some issues. I had to run over and put bone meal in it. So I'm thinking I might want to redo my power plant over there. But I'm thinking, yeah, can I access from here? Okay. Shoot. How about we just get some conveyors? And can I get 4 droppers? There we go. And I am wearing my Faraday suit because, well, things hurt. So what we're going to do is I need up. So do like so, and then like so, right? It's going the wrong way, so we'll just do that. And that should just drop straight into the right into the crusher. Which we should see some stuff start coming here soon. What I can do now is take some fall damage, take this stuff out, and oh, yep, you decided to fall on top of the crusher. Okay. Come on. Let me off. Now, whereabouts is the... There's the barge. You can see the grinder over there. I just hit stuff and I put a dimensional chest on it because I don't have any other like forms of moving items around in this area. What are you doing out? It's like noon. Oh, he's gone now. The lightning bug was confused. Still the weirdest little thing there where it, like hits this and it just like rotates trying to figure out which way to go. Hey, there we go. And it is a little weird watching the items go up here because they kind of glitch out the top of the conveyor a little bit. Oh. Well, that's not ideal. It's dropping it right on the edge there. Did you just go into... Oh, no, there you are. Okay. Okay, let me get you here, and we'll do this. And then that. And let's just throw all that out. I swear, I don't have my magnet on. What are you doing? Oh, it's because right as I threw it, more of it popped out. Okay. So, yeah, I need to get this to go out a further block on these. Okay. Why can't I make that jump this time? Oh, dang it. Oh, that's unfortunate, though, isn't it? Here we go. Should have it fixed now, and guess I can run down here and just drop all the ore I just picked up back off down in the down the crate, because I did pick up a bit of it. I put my magnet on so I wouldn't lose the bits, my conveyors into the crushers, because they if you drop things into a crusher that it can't process, it'll destroy them. So, all at the same time, if you drop mobs into a crusher, it'll sped up mob drops. So that is something to remember too. And look at all that aluminum. All right. How are we doing on the aluminum now? Wow. I cannot type. Another 600, which is awesome because we were down to 1 ingot. So this is definitely a wonderful thing to have happened here. Actually, thinking about it, how are we doing on charcoal? 1,700. Yep, I need to arrange another delivery of charcoal. Let's see, charcoal is up here. There we go. And then over here, I've got... Oh yeah, I made a flex bore. And drop it into here. I've got radial enhancement, expanded RF, and integral components. So it holds 800,000, and we can go between single block to 3x3. So, and I guess I'll put you in here for now. Actually, what do I have for enchanted books in here? Do I have any? Few. Efficiency might not be bad. Put Fortune 3 on it, I guess. And holding. We're going to need more experience here soon, but, oh, maybe not. And 7. And 7. I am just a little shy. Do I have any quests? I do. Flux Borer, there we go. And also, I went ahead and made the Flux Saw. There we go. And then Pallets of Plenty, Expanded Storage, which we've been using for a while, and Supplementaries, which is an odds and ends around here. There we go. And then Holding will make it so it can hold quite a bit more energy. Here, you go there for now and quit training my capacitor. All right, and I've got the Tinker's Workbench up here just to... Well, it can charge the tools as well, but the main thing is to modify all this stuff. Oh, that was funny. Where are the llamas at, though? He probably already killed them on the wires, actually. Yep, high voltage wires taking care of wandering traders. Like, I mean, they don't stand a chance. And thud. All right, everything's... I haven't checked down here in a while, so realistically it should be fine. But, nothing ever changes in there. Okay, which side did I put? Oh, man. There. Let's see. Aluminum grit. And then we have what? Steel grit? Yeah, okay. It's like, which side did I put the thing on? I might actually need to put multiple on here eventually. There we go. And we're processing up the aluminum grit now. Oh, we're cooking it up, right? And I'm trying to think of... I should make it so my system can automatically pull... Oh, it's my drone. What the hell is that drone teleporting for? I seriously did not tell you to be able to teleport. It's the one for my pig farm over there. I hear it charge up every once in a while and then whoop. And it's like... Did not give you the ability to teleport, so why are you doing this? Come on, Juicy. Behave. Seriously, it's full of pink slime. What the hell are you doing? Well, actually, my system might be full of pink slime, too. Fluid grid. No, we've only got 6 buckets in there, so I have no idea what you're doing. You're keeping it full of carrots, which is good. My god, yeah, you're definitely keeping that stocked up. But why? You're supposed to be picking these up and moving them into the system, and you haven't... Apparently you haven't done that in quite a while, so... Where's my... There it is. Near as I can tell. So I had it going to standby and wait for 5 minutes here. And I had this here, and then we had our carrots over here. And near as I can tell, it was going into standby and going immediately to carrots and then back into standby. It was ignoring, you know, the fluid part, which is supposed to go right there. Oh, that would do it. Okay. I see what's going on. It's not ignoring it per se. I never set up a spot for liquid meat to go. And so it's been shuttling the liquid meat back and forth because there's room for that, but not the pink slime. All right, let me off the damn ladder. Well, tank, this is our essence, and it's, wow, half full already. See, if we look at Juicy here, it's holding 8 buckets of pink slime. So, there you go. Oh, don't do that. Do not place down the drone near the wire. Okay. It flew right through a high voltage and took damage. I think they heal over time. And see, I just had to hook up another fluid storage for our liquid meat was all. So there's our charging platform there. And I think it's in wait cycle now. You over here taking a nap? Nope. Did you? Well, you're around somewhere. Okay, there's Gopher. And... no idea. I think Juicy's taking a nap somewhere. Go. Yeah, I have no idea where Juicy ended up at. But, okay. We should have more pink slime in here now, which is... yeah, we're 14 buckets now, so... Alright, that's going to be working now, and we got a bucket of liquid meat. We got a little bit of latex, but not a huge amount. I need to get that brought over, actually. I need to go check to see how slow it is, because the last time I checked it, it seemed like we had so very little up in that tree farm that it was like the arboreal extractors just weren't working. Which I have refined storage. It wouldn't be a huge issue to hook up Latex Processor instead. Yeah, 14 buckets, really? You've been running this long and that's all the more you produced? Well, yeah, that's... yeah, you're empty, so the pump's doing its job. We've got 14 buckets of latex, 5 of resin, and 4 of sap. These things are so abysmally slow. Harmonious Engineering. Don't think that'll work. How's that made again? Slag and niter? Okay. I think it's running through the pulverizers. How I have this processing out. There we go. Yeah, the little flames aren't even on. Isn't that supposed to be like lit up blue when it's actually working? I mean, they're obviously working because the little window here is showing what they got going on. Oh, there they go. Okay, cool. So hopefully that'll speed things up. Hopefully. I mean, I think what I need to do now is, because I can't rely on drones really to move this stuff around. I mean, I could, but I don't want too many of the things running around all the time. So we're just going to hook up a wireless network. Oh, okay. Yep. Cancel that job, would you? And it's still going to take a while to run through all the bone meal it had inside of it. But why is the netherite scrap not? It says processing. Should have been done by now, though. That runs through the... oh, it's probably got... well, no, that wouldn't make any sense, but... it's with my induction smelter. It should have been processing this already. All right, yeah, it just took a while, but everything's sorted out. One thing I did discover, though, is that I never taught my system how to make external storages. I thought I did, honestly. But apparently not. There we go, and bound to receiver. All right, cool. So we need to go teach a recipe, apparently. Yeah, no, to make some, it's like, huh. But then again, I don't really use external storages a lot, do I? Just the black hole controller. Basically just this guy here, yeah. Which, thinking about it, yeah, how much gravel are we at now? 2,300. Yeah, we get gravel as a byproduct from running the excavator now. So, and, well, both excavators, actually. The one in the Nether and the one in the overworld. Here, let me grab one of these. There we go. I never made my shovel netherite. Like, whoops. Not you. Like, all my other tools are netherite except for the shovel. So, let's put that away as well. And let's look up. External storage. Damn. Almost 6 full pages of recipes now. All right. You know what? Just make me like 10 of these, would you? And then come on down here. Oh, it's my accumulator. It's my water supply, I guess we can call it. There we go. Boom. 110 blocks away. Definitely not cheap, but, well, power-wise anyway. It's only using 64, though. Okay, that's not bad. We're using 852 forge energy a tick just for my refined storage system. How did you get moved? You're like completely off your rail. Nope. Stop. There you go. All right, fine. Be that way. And see. Yeah, our pendulumite is done. We have our archaic dig site. Let's see. Oh, it's because it's processing up. Oh, wow. Yeah, we're going to be there for a while. All right. So, got our external storages now. And you can go there. Up, there we go. And you can go here. You have sap. Wow, really? I can't drag and drop an extra. I can. Oh, I see why. I added in a. Yeah. Wrong mode. Okay, your resin. Yeah, make sure it's in fluid mode before you try dragging a fluid into it. And then you'll be latex. And we're up to 19 buckets now. Yeah. So it's almost like these things have to have bone meal at all times. And yeah, foregoing latex. So almost did it again. Now I'm going to set the priority on these to +10. Because I do have fluid storages in my system for these. But I want to use those as overflow for these tanks. And cable. There we go. And go ahead and fill this in with concrete then. make it look a little more polished around here. And the upside is now if I need anything else in the area, I have wireless access to my refined storage system over here. And there you go. Do I have my hoe in here? I do. I should probably make this netherite too. There. That way the grass will grow over the rooted dirt and it quits looking so damn horrible. There's just, I hate this change. I really do. All right, and you, and then you. It'd be a different story if these things actually had a use besides composting. I mean, yeah. Speaking of composting. Whoops. That was regular dirt already. Okay. I guess you can place it like that, but there. All right, cool. So let's double check on our fluids over here and okay, well, one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull these out because I don't need that many carrots over here right now. Still a really good distance away, dang it. Juicy keeps prioritizing the liquid meat now. And there we go. I think the cherry can's in here. Yep. What the? There it goes. Now I can pull it out. That was weird. I'll have to figure something else out. And well, I know Juicy's running because I heard the little bugger teleport, but I have no idea where it's at now. Just too bad it only has one inventory slot for fluids, because otherwise it would be a lot nicer that can grab both at the same time. Now what happens if I just right click on here? Well, I can do it that way. Do I have creosote oil being stored over? Let's see, here it is. And I do not, but now we can see we have liquid meat. What are you doing? Oh, hell no. Freaking, I set it to blacklist. Dang it. Well, it defaults to blacklist, which is unfortunate. This thing's already got 3,000 buckets inside of it. And it's not plastic. And storage blocks are a lot harder to empty out. Well, maybe. Right. Do I have my I/O unit back here? Or my disk manipulator, or whatever the hell it's called in this version? No. think I put it away because it had the lighting glitch with it, didn't it? Yeah. The heck is going on? There we go. Now I can pull it out. And Juicy just teleported again. Okay. Yes, he does that. That is just horrible looking. You can go away, and we'll put you guys away. That can go. See with that. There we go. Oop. Should have done this a while ago. Now I can get through. Okay. You are currently storing nothing. Okay. Same with you. You have 30 millibuckets of something. So if I was to... let's see. Nope. Can't use the wrench. Do you maintain? Yeah, you do. Okay. Can I run you through a disk manipulator? I've never tried. No. Right. So, oh. You lost your freaking... What were you? That was the meat. Okay. Come on, you... There it goes. It just took a second to show up. Oh, that's annoying. I'll have to figure out a way to get that stuff off of the storage blocks. Might rig up a subnet. That would do it. All right. But let's go ahead and get that put away. I don't need an exporter. Go. And screwdriver. That could go away. You can go back into my bag of books. Fluid pipe? Wow, yeah. Don't think I'm going to need any more of those for a bit. I'll put that away because it's going to be a long time till I can afford that. So now what? All right, so my refined storage system is screwed up right now. These are all signalum plates. There we go. Something is going on with it, and I'm not sure exactly what. I was having issues before I hooked up the network over there, but I have no idea what's going on now. But it's I've been having problems pulling items out. You know, I have to close and reopen, all that fun stuff, and it's just weird. But I figured, let's get ourselves a NASA workbench, right? I think, let's see, doing this off of memory. I think that's it. Hey, got it. Oh, nope, not quite. I need a crafting table. Okay. There we go. Now I just need a little bit of rotational force to this. So, go at create. Need you. I'm going to need a... See, now I can't pull all the gearboxes out. Gearbox. Let's go ahead and put you here. Put a gearbox there. And I just need a couple of shafts now. Overstressed. so take that out for now, because I'm not crafting any blaze cakes. Overstressed, really. These want 192 at the current speed. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this back before I forget. Nope, not there. There. It's 192 per crafter, and there's a ton of crafters there. Because, yeah, this is a one-time use system, so I don't really care what it looks like right now, because it's going to get ripped down here soon. Yeah, that should be fine, I think. And we'll grab that. Might need a relay, and we'll grab you. All right. Actually, probably don't need a relay. There's a there's power right here. There. Overstressed? Okay. Can I actually change this here? No, I can't. I have to actually disconnect that. That is... Let's try turning that down to 16, right? And overstressed. Okay, you are only doing 512 stress at current speed. Come on, you stupid thing. And nope. I think it is safe to say that it's not quite going to work as it is. So let me get a... Let me get something out of here. Come on, there we go. Oh. So what we're going to do is chain drive, gear shift, chain drive, gear shift. Put you here. I'm going to bump you up to 96. Poof, overstressed instantly. We knew that would happen though. Oh, I have them reversed is why. Like instantaneously just blew up. Alright, so what I want is the exact opposite. I want adjustable gear shift, adjustable. No. Chain drive, I guess, actually. So, there we go. And that steps down the speed while retaining stress. And that is still extremely quick for a crafter. Look at that. Splat. Alright, we have ourselves our NASA workbench, though. And now I can take all of this out. Those, that, and lanterns could probably go. See with that. You can have that as well. There we go. So we have our NASA workbench. What does this thing look like compared to Galacticraft's old one, right? Pretty close. It's even the same height and everything. All right, show recipes. It's like we do not have to find blueprints. All right, cool. We need a tier 1 rocket, though. I need steel plates. I need rocket fins, which is more steel. I need a steel engine. Okay. Let's go here. And let's go at beyond. Okay, I need a nose cone. All right, I need one engine, a steel engine. I think it was, what, 4 fins? And I need 2 tanks. Now, can I really got to figure out what's going on here. I wonder, am I just... No, I can't be running out of power. Oh, that's full. Yeah, no, we're good. Really weird. Here's a question. It retains inventory. Oh, that is a huge improvement for how it used to be. Tier 1 rocket. All right, cool. Now, here, let's search up at Beyond. Is there like a book or something? It does not look like it. All right, but we have our intergalactic travel, beyond Earth, Earth globe. Okay, cool. Space and time, you might like to go out and visit space for yourself. To get started, you're going to need a pretty large scale construction. Maybe you can borrow a blueprint from NASA, just don't tell anyone you got this from us. All right. Visit the moon. Steel and surgical precision robotic. Surgical precision of robotic crafting. You find yourself able to create a spaceship with enough fuel tank space for a trip to the moon, but not back. For the moon is iron rich and has material you possibly never seen called Dash. Your spaceship. Some mention of signs of life on the moon too. Basics of rocket science. And we get a flag. All right, cool. Will require refined fuel and output of processing crude oil and a fractionating still. Okay. So need oil. Which shouldn't be a problem. Not sure which drone that was. So, do I have any stills left? Actually, you know what? Here, let's... Oh, I'm missing sturdy sheets. Okay. So, add that to the wish list. Fractionating still. Okay, we'll add that to the wish list as well. How bad is that anyway? That is refinery bits and heavies. Okay. I never did finish up my assembly. Let's see. Look, it's quite... Our refined storage system is starting to annoy me. Is it you? Are you causing issues? Seriously? It was a freaking disk manipulator? Alright. There. Haha, giant rocket. Nice. Alright, let's look at our globe, actually. Yay, it spins. That's awesome. I love it whenever they do things like this. You can get it moving pretty quick, too. Cool. So, controller output. So apparently the disk manipulator might be a little bit bugged right now. So do not leave it hooked up to your system, I guess. I don't know. There we go. That'll get us our packaging still. Slowly. Yeah, these things aren't taking damage and they're not getting used up. I have no idea where those other axes went, but it's just a weird thing. How's our charcoal doing? I haven't checked on that since earlier this episode. Okay, 2,600. Whoa. That was weird. So it might still be screwing up a little bit. Because look at that, yeah. You're still not done. Oh, that is hilarious. Should probably enchant this with holding, actually. Huh. Okay, there's full. So high voltage lines can't keep up with the speed at which the energetic infuser can output power. Good to know. And oh, hey, cool. I actually, yeah, first one to make. All right, cool. And your ticket to space. Cool. What am I missing here still? Paralyzer. I just need 6 coke brick. Nope, there we go again. All right, so it wasn't the IO unit. Okay, or the manipulator. Am I getting nickel from? Oh, that's right, yeah. 10% chance. Okay. How's our aluminum doing now? 'Cause that's been running all episode. 1100. Okay. Yes, a bit of time has passed in the episode as well, but... All right, so let's go ahead and add in fuel. And that is made fractioning still from light or heavy oils. We're going to probably need 3 of these things. Maybe. Yeah, probably. Because I need fractioning still to break crude oil into bitumen, heavy oil, and light oil. And then light oil turns into refined fuel, and so does heavy fuel, or heavy oil. And we get tar and sulfur out of it as well. So, yeah, I'm going to need... Oh, hey, it's done. All right, this might be loud. Yeah, that was loud. Paralyzer. All right, cool. Replaces the coke oven. I don't know about replacing it, but this thing requires power, for one. But that just finished off the thermally expanding quest. Or quest line. Mechanical crafter realized you could possibly create a huge crushing wheel capable of breaking down harder materials. But you utilize the wheels to generate gravel, some way to wash away the impurities, filter out the iron. Okay. And what was the other bits of that quest? Encased fan and a drill or an igneous extruder. Okay. There. Missing Constantin gear. Okay. So here's a question, right? What would be screwing up my refined storage system so much? Like, even when I can't pull items out of it, I can still do auto crafting. And then pocket machines is the last thing here, which, yeah, that's the thing. So there's still the mecha suit I can get into. Enchantment manipulation seems like actually could be a fun time. We don't have access to like biofuel, do we? Bioreactor, biofuel generator. We do actually. Mob heads are a thing. Okay. Mushrooms. So we can do both types of mushrooms. We can do a whole bunch of seeds. We can do saplings. Okay, yeah, we can get max. Then my first thought was like, there may not be enough to do all that, but with what we've got my farm over there generating, yeah, we can definitely do a biofuel generator off that. You can just go away for now. All right, so I need 2 more of these to make. Oh, it was already listed. Whoops. To make refined oil or refined fuel to power our rocket. Let's look at Beyond again. Okay, we've got the different globes, which is awesome. We need to make a spacesuit, which most of this is fine, except for the sturdy plates or sturdy sheet, which is a create thing with powdered obsidian. And you add lava to it, and then whack it twice. So we need a smaller assembly line for that. We got cheese. Wow, 12 saturation. That's not bad. I'm looking for like a launch pad. This. Okay. Mechanical crafting only. We need heat sinks, plastic, supreme, and sturdy sheets. Okay, and these things are pretty easy to make, so. How are we doing on like mob heads? I wonder. Like none. Okay. But I'm gonna go ahead and call this an episode. We have our rocket, which I cannot place down because it's not a launch pad. We need to oil is going to be fun, right? Oil from beyond Earth. Can find oil in the ocean. Okay, that's what I saw. Okay. There's an oil spot out in the ocean I saw while I was out exploring once, and it is. There's another monument right there. Where was it? Doesn't actually show up on Journey Map, which is unfortunate. It's around here, though. So I just need to get a pump and some power out there, and we'll be good to go. At least for that one, right? Then we also have Pneumaticraft crude oil, which we can actually buy at the cost of an emerald per, which is probably going to be our best bet. And What's a good way to get emeralds, right? Honestly, best way to get emeralds is going to be this barrel vein over here. Since we don't seem to have foregoing, used to have the villager like trading station or something like that. But they got rid of it. Basically, like back in 112, you could. Yeah, I could make a laser actually. An ore laser. Might not be a bad idea. But no, back in 112, you could words, right? Put a villager in a mob imprisonment tool, shove them inside of a machine, and then you could actually select one of their available trades and just trade with them over and over again. Since the villager trading rework, though, that machine has not been a thing. So, which is unfortunate, but I mean, really, what are you going to do, right? Besides, write a mod of your own. Here, actually, you go here. And we're just going to manually move the gravel over. I think the tick rate might be freaking out a little bit. Server tick might be part of the reason why this isn't working like it should. Gravel there, put that in there. We have our gravel back. And if it goes over, 16,300, it'll just void the excess gravel. So, works for me. But thank you for coming out. I hope you enjoyed this episode. And until the next one, signing out. Have fun.